The Assam Rifles today hosted the 4th edition of the Assam Rifles Half Marathon 2024 at the Directorate General Assam Rifles headquarters in Latgor, Shillong. As part of the Fit India movement, the event, initially launched in 2021 under the Khelo India initiative, aims to promote fitness, unity and a culture of wellness across Northeast.
India 2021 under Khelo India initiative will aim to promote fitness, togetherness and a culture of wellness in the Northeast.
The marathon featured 3 race categories: Cloud Chase 21 kilometers, Pine Path 10 kilometers and Crystal Stream 5 kilometers, with participants of all ages competing in each. A total of over 1,900 runners participated, with 347 in the 21-kilometer event, 826 in the 10-kilometer race and 776 in the 5-kilometer categories. Legendary international boxer MC Mary Kom, former member of Rajya Sabha and the brand ambassador for the event, expressed her delight in participating. She praised the Assam Rifles for their outstanding organization and congratulated them on the successful event. Mary Kom ran in the 10-kilometer category and shared her enjoyment of the race.
Moment for me, being a Northeast, मुझे Northeast का वो गर्व, वो क्या बोलता है, ये वो ही फील कर रही हूँ. I'm so happy to be a part of this marathon event. It's very well organized. I really appreciate Assam Rifle for having this marathon event, and I really congratulate to them, and it's a grand success.
In the overall race, Kailash Chaudhary from 20 Assam Rifles won the 21-kilometer event with a time of 1 hour 5 minutes 30 seconds. While Anjali Kumari from Bihar claimed first prize in the female category with a time of 1 hour 19 minutes 43 seconds. In the 21-kilometer 18 to 40 age group, Renu Singh and Durga Bahadur Buddha emerged as the female and male winners respectively. In the 41-50 age group, Iba Paleshisha, Nongse and Talanding Watlang were the victors in the female and male categories respectively. All participants receive medals, certificates and t-shirts as mementos. Additionally, cash prize totaling Rs 18.15 lakh were awarded to 48 runners across various categories, and 150 consolation prizes were distributed. Many participants expressed their happiness after completing the marathon and encouraged others to take up running, emphasizing that it is not just a sport but a healthy habit that promotes fitness. On this day, Doordarshan had the opportunity to speak with several participants, including Devin N. Karumnod, a young athlete who competed in the marathon, along with Ajay Kumar Rana, a businessman from Noida, Dr. Vinay Kumar Sharma, Kushraga, and Rolinda Wanyang.
Kira beri tu ke keteng jupi?
Ha,
Dari tu keteng jupi ke deng no?
Devin nang man bakar no, masya masa apo luar lumparing. Ngali school apo St. John's, Higher Secondary School Laban.
Di pesengau kumdo hadin berpila lak ban pendep ban mentar pila yo ke medal.
Semua pemain, but nga, semua LD ala jang so bang.
Pila ju yesim mentar em gup gini kijing ya mare.
Ah.
Hakimai pati mentar. Hai pila yesim mentar.
Ha, seorang hari in apo tourism, jang tourism, halau sotun, tangat tahi,
Meni ka ba katno kilometer pi mare mati.
basan kilometer.
Yes, good morning to Shillong. Myself, Ajay Rana from Greater Noida. I came from there for Shillong Marathon. I love the marathon and the hills area. I done many marathons like Ladakh Marathon, Paras, Health, Vedanta, Tata Memorial, and many other local marathons also. Now I came here, Shillong, for marathon. So we just did, and we feel it's very nice. The good weather, good people, good arrangement, and everything is. We found that it's very fine and very systematic. Thank you very much.
Okay. Rolling. Doctor, can you tell us about your experience on this half marathon that the army organized today morning?
Yeah, it was a very good route and a bit tough because a lot of inclination were there. You have to climb a bit. But the basic thing is that this is my 4th half marathon this year, and I would always send a message to everyone: eat healthy, live a healthy life, and I would always say no to drugs. Say no to drugs. You should have a good life. God has given you this life, so enjoy it to the fullest. Keep healthy, keep your surrounding healthy, keep everything neat and clean, and we will have a wonderful place to live in. Thank you so much.
Kushagra, can you tell us about your experience on this half marathon that the Assam Rifle organized?
Yeah, for sure my experience was very nice. Like in the morning when I came, it was freezing cold. My hands were freezing, my nose was froze. But I think that is the thing which motivates us to keep going. So when I started, the track was like very tough. It was inclination, but just kept going, seeing all the people around. So it also motivates you. And the experience was very nice. Like everything here is very nice planned. Everything is clean, and it was overall a very nice experience.
So, did you take part in any other marathons in the past?
Yeah, I have done like this is my 5th run, and this was definitely the best of all of them.
Can you give any message to the young generation, or to the children of this generation, to be part and to take part in any marathon or run?
Yes, definitely. This is a Sunday morning, and 5 in the morning, most of the youth will be asleep. But this is the thing: if you would step outwards and participate in such things, then definitely the feeling when you cross the finish line, it is on top of the world. And everybody should do this runs, because it is not physical that you cannot run. It is just mental. If you step outside and just take one step, you will be able to do it. So do it, and health is very important nowadays. So keep running, keep healthy.
Pisngau no hadin bapila yo ya kajing job mentar.
Asnya bang,
Tapi praktis kan no manlakas ni kan no kentar.
praktis ya ka arpawi kilometer praktis ar kentah. Laya ka sipau de si kentah dona.
Ki competition ya gupi pila ni sementar.
Sora, Taiwan, ngayok banengkong, ta hane ta hasar te ngam tam ngalaklet ngam tam masuk bu sulai te baik kat ba dan jing mere
Bila di sebentar ni pedi reha bar jong ka hawi kiwi pedi jelas.
dang le te dang ha taiwang
Tapi dang di sebentar lot ini senepan highway.
le da tip te le la da bom tip te yo le sana
Tapi kan cia try jong kertu ye samla. Mungkin kimi ni ka jong mare na we ka kalatun cok kam saja.
ngong hai buat dia buat ngen ver ngen ya cak mahang ong labun la senang jengi ba ki le ya le ki khna ki samla ki tenmen ru kumjo tang ba ki tenmen de kimpat biang praktis kimpat ya wan bun ki de ya le chasar te bu ka bai kali ka kam sting ki ya wan barak la da sejengai te ki ya le
Aku dah siap. Kita harus be.
Look at you, you got so fit! This time, everybody! Woo! Lovely crowd. I mean, this is my second time that I'm witnessing her with me on stage. Way back, I think it was during the song that she did with Good Number Strong. Way back, long time back, I still have the picture with you. And I want you to do the same thing. Get everybody take a picture of this moment. This moment. And you did this in that picture. You raised your hand up to give thanks to the Lord. Yeah. Let's go.
Air Marshal Surat Singh AVSM VM VSM AOC in charge of Eastern Air Command served as chief guest and addressed the crowds, commending the participants' enthusiasm and spirit.
A very good morning. Firstly, I must compliment DG Assam Rifle for organizing this wonderful event at a place for which all of us, especially coming from rest of India, look forward to spending some time here. The happiness which is visible here is indicative of the efforts put in by DG Assam Rifle and his team. We must compliment DG Assam Rifle, the organizers, and his team who have worked tirelessly for a few weeks to organize this event.
Lieutenant General Vikas Lakera, AVSM SM Director General of Assam Rifles, praised the organizers for ensuring the event as memorable experience for everyone involved. In light of the ongoing tensions in Manipur, he reassured the citizens that the Assam Rifles would continue to serve the people and strive for unity in the region, remaining steadfast in the commitment to righteousness despite challenges.
So I'll tell you, this step today, what you are taking here to get people together, and numerous such steps, which is Assam Rifle, we are part of the people, right? I'm not different than you. We are just standing other side, right? So we are here to ensure that we come together with people, okay? We serve the people, and we try our best. In spite of whatever happens, we'll not let go of the righteous path, right? And those who do right have to face everything. But we'll not leave the path of righteousness. We'll keep on connecting. Our soldiers come from the northeast. A huge amount of soldiers come from northeast. We are part of the society. Okay, we are not different than you. You serve the nation equally as I do. So maybe time will tell. And northeast is a wonderful place. It's a great place to be. And you can see today that how happy everybody is.
Lieutenant General Rakera also highlighted the broader effort of the Assam Rifles, especially its disaster response initiative, including the NDRF battalion in Ludhiana. He remarked, whenever disaster strikes, whether it's floods in Imphal, landslides, accidents, or medical emergencies, the Assam Rifles is there to help the people.
Sikkim or Arunachal.
So we have an NDRF battalion which is based in Ludhiana. It is employed by the central government whenever disasters happen. But otherwise, if you see, whenever any calamity comes or any natural disaster, Assam Rifle where it is deployed, it always reacts. Always, whether it was floods in Imphal this year, or it was landslides anywhere, wherever there are accidents, wherever people are sick, they have to be evacuated, wherever treatment has to be given. There are numerous examples. I think we are the single largest donor of blood to the people whenever they require. Okay, so we are blood brothers by that way. Our soldiers' blood runs in countless of citizens of Northeast. So yes, we are part of the society. We are not different.
Such efforts by Assam Rifles will promote Fit India movement in the community, while also encouraging unity and a culture of wellness across Northeast.
तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए।